What the?
No, I'm not filming.
Oh, okay, not filming.
I'm just gonna film my intro. Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be fixing the broken brake light on my car. And
wait, what the?
Oh shit! I was just filming my intro. That's weird. Sorry.
Like, okay, you were
I should film it in the shade. I was just trying to get better light.
It's too hot right there.
Yeah, that's weird. Okay, anyways, I don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna be fixing my brake light because it's broken, and then also I'm gonna be modifying the homie's car. Stay tuned. What the fuck? Just hit your head?
No, it hit my ass. Like, I was coming out like this. I was coming out like that. It hit the thing.
Jesus. Alright, anyways, so I have these sequential lights installed in the ND, and you can see when I turn my flashers on, they go off to the side like that. And so I installed those probably like 2 years ago. But what that means is that the wiring for the turn signals is a little bit jank in this car. So,
We're just observing.
Okay. Yeah, so the wiring's a little jank, which means sometimes the lights just get weird, and so this brake light went out. So I'm just gonna be kind of going in there and seeing if I can fix all this.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, so just like everything on this car, that was extremely easy. I just went down in there and re-plugged in all of these wires, and one was loose, so that should fix that. So now, on to modifying the homies' cars. Time for the first mod. So there's the first mod, check it out. We've got a absolutely beautiful front plate mod here for Eric's new car. Holy shit.
I'm sure there was like some residual here.
This way, if he ever gets pulled over, he won't get arrested, I will. So this is a really good mod for, well, maybe not. Eric, chill out.
That's it. Wait a minute.
You okay?
Fix
Alright guys, so for the next mod today, for modifying my homie's cars, I got this rare JDM decal for Eric's S13.
Oh
This is
God.
the rare country girl decal,
Dude,
actually.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
Holy.
Eric's,
You get that off Yahoo Auctions?
yeah, this is straight from Japan. This
Straight
took
from Japan?
like 5 months to get here, guys.
5 months?
Yeah, Eric, what do you think, man? This is all for you. It's actually a surprise.
I really like it. I mean, it looks good. I hope it looks good on my car.
Let's see.
Damn, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh my, that's gorgeous.
There you go, guys. Always support the homies. Always do good
Dude.
things for your homies.
It's just, dude.
This is me just looking out right now.
He's repping
Bro,
Texas.
this really did increase the value of my car, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh my God.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, it's later in the day. We're just washing our cars right now. So we're gonna go for a drive soon. Just I got rid of the thing I put on Eric's car. Just because I'm really putting on like one of my friend's cars is kind of, I don't think that was good. I probably shouldn't do that. So I took that off. About to wash my car.
It's a good pedestal.
Yeah. Alright, all the cars are washed, so we're gonna go on a drive. Alrighty, welcome back everybody. A little bit of a chill drive today, since it's daytime, bumpy road. You know the drill. Today we're driving with Ethan and Skylar, and then also Valentine, which is actually our neighbor. He's a really chill guy who's been in the San Jose car scene for longer than we have. And he's got some really cool cars, super cool guy, so we're driving with him today. And yeah, this is probably just gonna be a chill drive. Might just shut up and let you guys enjoy the driving. But if anything interesting happens, I'll chime back in. X or like an FC. I couldn't see, but that thing was going fast. Man, since my car is not set up for bumpy roads right now, I always tell myself I'm just gonna chill, but then I get on the road and I'm like, I kind of want to drive. Good view. Like the road I'm used to driving is mostly a 3rd and 4th gear road. This road is so tight, a lot of corners that I could be in 2nd on. Just am not really revving it out all the way, but I mean a lot of these low speed corners could definitely go down to 2nd if I wanted to, like probably here. Yeah, it's fun, man. Technical roads are fun. Bit loose. I didn't have too much to do today, so I spent like an hour and a half detailing this car inside and out, and then I just take it and do this with it like 10 minutes later. So I mean, this will always be a car that's to be driven as we hit traffic. This will always be a driver's car. I mean, it has 51,000 miles on it, and I've had it for 2 years, so it'll always be that kind of car. But you know, I still keep it pretty from time to time, even though it gets dirty, you know, a day later. All right, finally passed the traffic. Behind that guy for so long, I had to start listening to Yeet, turn the camera off, but we're back now. We just hit a part of the road that was really weird. It was like a fork in the road. One was a driveway and one was the actual road, but I couldn't tell which was the driveway and which was the road. So I was like, oh God, I like almost pulled into the driveway instead of going straight on the road. Whatever. And this is where we get to the really good view, but it's also like one lane up here, so we gotta be very careful. Sorry guys, I was listening to Yeet again. I really can't help it. I can't control myself. Anyways, that's been the video. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, more coming soon. And if you've got this far in the video, I also want to let you guys in on a little something I'm working on. So I've been saving up for Skyline era chaser now for about a year, and stuff is just very expensive, and I probably can't get a Skyline for another couple months. So I've made the executive decision to try to get a project now, a cheaper one, but still a really cool project nonetheless. So all I'll say is don't be surprised if you see a SR 240 on the channel very soon. I'm trying my damnedest to get one, and I'm Facebook messaging a lot of people. I've got one lined up that I would really like to get, hopefully next week. We'll see what happens. It'll be some great videos. I'm really hoping I can get one, so yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. That will be very fun. And yeah, I love you guys. I really appreciate all the support, all the feedback. It means a lot to me. So have a good one, everybody.